South Africa, home to the third highest crime rate in the world. Sounds like a terrible place to live, right? Well, not entirely. South Africans are known to be extremely resourceful and innovative, especially when it comes to protecting those close to them and their valuable belongings. My name is Ricky Walton, owner of SheerGuard SA, and I grew up in this beautiful country, South Africa. Look, we've had our fair share of challenges over the years, but as we all know, it's the very challenges in life that bring out the best in us. They inspire us to explore our creativity and to innovate solutions which make our world a better and safer place to live in. The crime challenges we faced here actually catalyzed my realization that there was a need for stylish premium quality burglar proofing solutions that offer peace of mind and add value to our homes, businesses and hotels. The SheerGuard brand has the widest range of transparent burglar proofing products in South Africa. And our vision is to expand our tried and tested security solutions to the global market. Our ability to merge indoor and outdoor spaces make us the first choice for architects who require an aesthetic, effective security solution to please their discerning clients. With 100% optical clarity, you can retain that beautiful view and you won't suffer from that jailed-in feeling that you encounter with traditional steel barriers. South Africans love our product range and the exceptional service that goes with it. Each franchise owner is a consummate professional and are absolutely passionate about creating long-lasting customer-centric relationships.
My name is Kelvin Tilley. I am proud to be the National Franchise and Sales Manager for SheerGuard South Africa and SheerGuard International. When you purchase the SheerGuard franchise, you're buying into a well-established and rapidly expanding brand that has a proven formula and track record that speaks for itself. I highly recommend investing in a SheerGuard franchise that will give you the edge in these competitive markets.
My name is Leandra Nevenhuis and I'm the COO of SheerGuard SA. I am proud to be part of this progressive company and dynamic SheerGuard team. Our core values are centered on integrity and trust, encompassing all of our valued stakeholders. We are here for you and look forward to keeping you and your loved ones safe.
My name is Christian Piepers. I'm Senior Account Manager for Excellent Group. Excellent Group manufactures solid polycarbonate sheets under Excellent brand and are today the sole suppliers to SheerGuard SA. With almost 40 years combined experience, Excellent Group maintained these high-quality specification standards through the implementation of up to 50 quality control processes. Our mission is to exceed customer satisfaction and consistently improve our high standards of quality products.
Our expertly crafted strategy to become the world leader in this industry is right on track. To find out more, have a look at our easy-to-use website, www.sheerguard.co.za. Most of all, stay healthy, happy and safe. And we're here to help you do exactly that.
2022, things are going to be great.
We love being part of the brand.
I love SheerGuard, I love all the people that we deal with.
Thanks to the team.
Ricky made me believe that I could do it.
SheerGuard, I love you guys so much. I love the team, I love the energy.